Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a face filter in Spark AR, and it's really easy. You see, just super easy. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's like discard and start over. Okay, so let's go here, create a project. Okay, so first you need to go to Spark AR Studio and download the project. And second, let's see what we can do. Open it, create a project, then go to video. And this is kind of like the real time, like a, you can see everything here. Okay, so then we go to Facetime HD.camera. Then you can see yourself. And this is kind of like the working view, and this is the real view. Okay, so let's do it. Then we need to add object. So the first part will be the effect, and the bottom part will be the assets you wanna import. So let's do a face mesh. Okay, insert. So everything is, oh, you see, like this is so fast, much faster than Unity. So just one click, I can get a mesh. Before it took me probably 2 or 3 days to trying to figure out this mesh, but right now you see like it's just so fast. Okay, so when I go here, I have this. I select this mesh, and then click this material. Okay, so I create a new material here. Oh, you see, I've become a little creepy right now. Okay, so when we have a material, then we change the name of the layer called face filter. Then we need to go to help and download face assets. Okay, so you just go here and download the link, download face assets. Then what you will see will be this little dude. Let me see. Okay, so you will see this face assets. Inside there are two parts. One is mesh, another is texture. Mesh will be 3D assets, for example, like FBX, OBJ, which you can manipulate inside either Maya or Blender. Then, but what we need is to apply the texture on that. So, because I'm a female, so we need to use this dude. I know it's kind of like putting flatten your face. It's really weird. So once you open it in Photoshop, you will see, you will see something like this, right? Then we need to create a new layer. Okay. So hopefully everyone knows how to use Photoshop. Okay, so you create a new layer and then start drawing, painting, putting a lot of vector, whatever you like on top of it. Then what I did was this. Whatever painted on black, you cannot see at the end. So what we need is to make sure whatever we do map exactly the face. So we take out this. Then we have the really cool texture layer. Then we export it to PNG. Okay, so after that, I know everyone is pretty good at this, so just jump it. Then let's go to so those are the stuff that I export. By the way, the assets from Shutterstock. Okay, so we need to drag here, so we have the assets. Then we go back to this material and we go here. You see, this is already here. It's really sweet. So all I need to do is to replace and apply the texture on top of this material. Then it's done. Okay, so is that simple? Really simple, right? After this, you can export. There's a little button, export it. and you can upload to your Facebook or Instagram. You cannot do both at this time, but it will be really cool, and there will be a lot of like terms, regulations. Just be careful you don't steal someone's work and put on top of it. You will get in trouble. Okay, so that's today's episode. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.